Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome to my next video. Today we will just learn about the home tab and what are the options here using for the home tab. So let's start now. If you just see any option and you don't know what this option performs, like I am just moving the cursor on the options and I don't know exactly these options are for what. So there is a simple thing that you just take your mouse cursor there and just wait, it will show for what purpose. It will show a comment, or you can see it will just show a option that this option is for what purpose. So let's see. I will just make zoom so that we can read clearly. So let's come here. This scissor option, actually this option is used to remove the selection and put it on the clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else. So it means that if there is any text and you just use the cut option from cut or control X, then this particular picture or this particular text is saved on the clipboard. You can see here that this what I have copied, it showing on the clipboard that you have copied this field or text. So now wherever I want to just paste it, I will just paste it there. It's done. Okay, so this scissor option is for cut the text that you want to copy from one place and take it to the other place. Next there is this copy option. Control C, pick how you want to copy the selection. Okay, like we did before, just I will just right click and copy, or control C, and I can take click anywhere and control V, so it will be pasted there. Okay, so another option is then this paste option. If we just keep my mouse there, it will show you how. This is the paste option for which control V is also used. What's the purpose of this? Pick a paste option such as keeping formatting or pasting only content. It means that, like, if I just want to copy this field and uh, I just want to paste the other in the other field the same, I will go and do control V, and in the paste option there are multiple options. Like I just want to copy the format of this particular text, or you will see also paste formulas only, formulas and number formatting only, keep source formatting, no borders, keep source column width, transpose. There are more other options that we will just learn later how these options work. For now, our concern is to just have the introduction of this home tab. How does it work? Okay. Next, when we just use any text or this, then we come here the this option font. Font means pick a new font for your text. Like there is a lot of options available which changes the font, as we can see. I will just write anything here and then we will see how font works. There are different options and it will show you how your format font will be showing. So you can use this option as per your requirement or as per your choice. There are many fonts available. And the next field, this is font size. You can change here font size. You can increase or decrease the font size as per your requirement. And this same option you can also use if you will you will click this option. It means that increase font size, make your text a bit bigger. If you click once, it will increase size, twice, thrice, so it will show you a bit longer font size. The next option, if you will decrease small a, this will decrease the font size, make your text a bit smaller. It will make your text a bit smaller, so you can see which font size you wanna use. And then you see this A option. This means font color. Whatever you have written there, you can use the color as per your requirement. If I want to choose red, I will show red, or any other color I can choose as per my requirement. If I see here the next one, this means fill color. Like this box, color background of cells to make them stand out. If I will select here, this will change the color of the cell from the background, not the font. Next option, bottom border. Apply borders to the currently selected cell. Whatever cells you have selected, you can see bottom border. It will show only the bottom line as a border, and top border, left border, right border, no border, all borders, outside border only, and thick outside border, as you can see, or bottom double border, you can see. Also, there are more options available. Thick bottom border, top and bottom border, as showing in the picture, so you can just select according to your requirements. Then the line color, draw border grid, erase border. If you want to erase border, you can erase. Line color, line style, more borders. These options we will again learn later as per our requirement. Now it's just the introduction. This U is used for underline. Like if I want to underline this font, I will click here. You see this is now underlined. Double underline. If you want to double underline, you have to select here D. So you will select D. It's now the font you have to select. It will be double underlined. And then let's select back to you. This I option, you can see italic. Control I is also used for this one, and it will italicize your text. You can just click here, it will make italic your text. And if you will see here, B means control B is also used, make your text bold. If I select here, you can see the text is become bold. That's it for today's video. We will start learning more the next options in our next video. Thank you so much.